What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Thomas here. We're not in the shop today. We're in my laundry room. I had my a light bulb break, and the little metal base is stuck in the socket. So we're going to take a little cork as such and extract that. Okay, basically what you want to do is just take your cork and just shove it right in there and then twist it out. Wrong way, I guess. Might help if I go the right way. Yep, there we go. Just kind of wedge it in there. You might have to go back and forth like I'm doing. There it goes. Yep. There it is. Pretty simple.